on our way into the city. We're gonna go see the boat races. Down. We're not really moving, and there's nobody in the jeepney yet. Okay. Just playing around. The driver was on lunch break. Brunch. I don't know. What time is it? 8 o'clock? 8:30? I don't know what time it is. It's morning, so I guess it was breakfast and brunch break. Anyway, the driver that just got here, he was laughing at me being on the back of his Jeep. So we're gonna go see the boat races. Double Dragon having some boat races downtown. It's 3rd annual. I meant to go to the first 2 and never made it. So we're going today. That's the customs house. Main post office, immigration. It's got a number of names, and that behind it, I believe, is City Hall. We got about 2 hours until the races are scheduled to start. They got a bunch of booths and tents set up over there. I'm going to walk over there and see. But yesterday was a beautiful, sunny, cloudless, wonderful day. Today is a bit overcast, and as soon as we got into the city on the jeepney, it started raining. The rain has stopped, and I hope it stays away, but we'll see. It's just kind of a dark and drizzly day now. Got 2 hours until it's scheduled to start. I would not presume to say that it's going to start on time. So I've got to go find someplace air conditioned to hang out for 2 hours, because there's nothing going on here yet. I just thought I wanted to come see where it was and how the setup was. I can see they got some buoys there. I don't know if you can see those orange buoys. And got some buoys here. So maybe these are turnaround points, start and stop points. I do not know. But they're getting set up, so we'll come back in a couple hours, hope for some good weather. The race is scheduled to start in about 30 minutes, so I'm going to grab a drink and head on over that way. It's still overcast, but it's not raining anymore, so there's that. So this should be fun. Right across the river you can see the new dock. It's a nice building. So you catch a boat to go to some of the other neighboring islands. They just finished that, I don't know, a year or so ago. It's really pretty nice. Over here where all those trucks are lined up, that's where it used to be. It was really crappy over there. There were no facilities. There's just some ramshackle booths that you bought your tickets at, and it was not a good welcome to the city. So this is a much nicer facility. That bridge going across is brand new also. They just built that to go with the new dock. So you can just come into downtown and go over. Hi. Hey, you driving that thing? I need to see your driver's license. I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. Yeah. I don't think he's got a driver's license. They just called the first team to get ready to go on the boats. So they're starting about 10 minutes late, which is really pretty good. I had assumed everyone would bring their own boats. I think I was wrong. Looks like they got 4 boats and a whole bunch of teams. So they call you in, they give you a lane number, and you get on your boat. I guess they're all the same. I just would have assumed everyone would have brought their own boat. That would have been complicated though, so this may be simpler. Well, they're bailing water out of the boats to get ready. So we'll come back in a minute. Perfect timing. They're starting to man their boats. Well, actually, it's the female division, so they're not manning their boats. They're just now getting on their boats for the first race, and it's starting to rain again. Not very hard. It's just a little. Actually, right now it feels nice, but we'll try to stay dry. Turns out they've got 2 sets of boats. First group is down there ready, almost ready to start, and they've got the second group heading that way now, and they're getting the third group mustered up on the pier. So they're going to try and get this going once they get started. People are crowding in, so I may lose my front row seat. We'll find out. That's the job I want, playing the drum. But I'm so fat they'd put me on a separate boat. Well, I don't know what they're waiting on. They've got the first 2 races set up over here. They've been sitting there for almost 30 minutes. You know they've got to be tired of sitting there. And it's starting to rain, so people are leaving. The crowd's thinning out. It wasn't a big crowd anyway. Now it looks like it's mostly students. If they don't start soon, ain't nobody gonna be here to watch it. That's the crowd. It's like a single layer along the wall. A whole bunch of people left already. It started raining and they leave. But seriously, those boats have been sitting there for 30 minutes. You know they're tired of sitting there. So maybe soon. I don't know who number 2 is, but they're winning. By more than a boat length, number 2.
And there you have it, a great way to start today's races. Coming right up, more action from the women as we walk on their one. Beginning us with Warriors and Lots.
Oh, earlier the police were coming around telling people not to sit on the railing, but now we've got people sitting on the railing everywhere because it's raining, and the police are staying in the van where it's dry. I don't blame them. It's down to almost just a single layer of people up and down this wall. rain is chasing people off. I'm probably only going to get one more race, and then I'm going to go because I'm getting wet too. Hey, good day. This is the police van. Are all of y'all in trouble now? Y'all in the police van. Y'all get drunk and get in a fight? Yeah, it looks like they all got in trouble, huh? I think they're just staying out of the rain. They said this was the women's small boat 200 meter, in case you couldn't hear the loudspeaker. Boat number 3 is just taking off.
And there you have it for race number 2. More action from the women in race number 3 coming right up. We've got Bull Paddlers, RCP at 3. And lane 3.
I'm at the starting line, so I won't see who finishes. But it's raining really bad, so I'm leaving. But the race started, so I thought we'd get it.